Again, again. Why children need repetition. A child pours water from one small jug into another, then pours it back and begins again. To an adult, the activity may already seem complete. The water has moved. For the child, each attempt still contains information about pressure, angle, timing, and control. The action looks familiar, but the experience is changing. When a skill is new, the brain uses substantial attention and a broad network of support. The child may have to think about every movement and every step. With practice, the task becomes more organized. Fewer parts need conscious control, and the movement begins to hold together. This growing efficiency is sometimes called automaticity. It does not mean the child has stopped thinking. It means the skill is using fewer of their limited attention resources. Errors may be noticed earlier, recovery becomes easier, and attention is available for a more difficult version of the task. Parents often ask how many repetitions learning takes. There is no single answer. A rough association may begin after only a few encounters. More stable learning can require dozens, and complex everyday skills may be practiced hundreds of times. The child, the task, attention, feedback, rest, and prior experience all matter. Research suggests children often direct attention towards experiences that are neither fully predictable nor overwhelmingly difficult. Familiarity gives them enough stability to recognize the task. A manageable uncertainty keeps it interesting. When the activity becomes too easy, attention often moves elsewhere. Improvement itself can help sustain motivation. The hand becomes more accurate. The child notices the correct opening sooner. The tower stays upright for longer. These small changes give the child evidence that effort is producing progress, even before the activity is fully mastered. Maria Montessori observed that children often repeat meaningful activity without rewards or adult insistence. In a Montessori environment, materials remain available and children are not moved on simply because they completed something once. Repetition continues until the child reaches an internal point of satisfaction. At home, this may mean reading the same book again, keeping a familiar puzzle available, or allowing another pour when time permits. The adult does not need to count repetitions or add praise to every cycle. Prepare something worth repeating, protect concentration when it appears, and let the child decide when the work is complete.